If you're looking for a chiropractor, Vidan Family Chiropractic in Brentwood focuses care for TMJ, back pain, headaches, and so much more. They also help pregnant women with a number of issues. Victoria is pregnant with her third child. During all of her pregnancies, she suffered from an intense pain.
It's a really sharp pain, like when with movement or getting up, having to lift or move.
Victoria started looking into chiropractors and found Dr. Alex Vidan at Vidan Family Chiropractic in Brentwood.
Immediately, he was understanding and knew what I was going through, could tell me what my body was doing.
She was dealing with a pubic symphysis dysfunction, and so what will happen is that pubic symphysis will actually start to separate and then can rotate too. And when it separates and rotates, it's extremely painful. So for her, in particular for her, it was during the pregnancy, whenever she would try to roll or move.
There are many reasons why pregnant women look to Vidan Family Chiropractic for help. Take Alyssa, for example.
It's really common in about 50% of pregnancy patients, they'll have things like low back pain, and that's what she's been dealing with. She's been dealing with low back pain through her pregnancy, and sometimes that can result also in problems in the SI joint or instability that happens there, or even sciatica issues, shooting pain down the back of the leg. She hasn't been having any of that since she's been getting care here.
The doctors here are also trained in Webster technique, which is what Cecily is here for today.
I feel great. She's currently breached though, so I've been coming a little bit more to hopefully try and get her to flip before it's too late.
So Webster technique is a technique that's designed to allow the baby to then be in the optimal position, the head down position, because of the fact that we're getting the pelvis position as optimally as it can be and the lumbar spine to get positioned as best it can be, to now allow for the baby to then have a great delivery and a great pregnancy for the mom.
Remember Victoria, who came in for an intense pain? Well, here's how she's doing now.
Felt just almost immediate relief. Just want other people to know that they're not alone if they do have pubic symphysis dysfunction, that there is relief. You don't have to just live with it.
So that's exactly why we got into this. We got into this to be able to help more people and help people get back to doing the things they need to do, want to do, love to do. That's really what this is about.
Vidan Family Chiropractic is located in Brentwood. Their website is drvidan.com.